There are some really good tax benefits for parents, but we first have to get a qualifying dependent. A qualifying dependent means you have a child that's related to you through marriage or through blood and under the age of 24. Now, that is if they're in college. If they're not in college, under the age of 18. If they're under the age of 17, you do get a child tax credit for that child as long as you're claiming them as a dependent. If your child that you're claiming is under the age of 13, you can also get a daycare credit if you're paying for daycare cost or babysitting cost. Now, another credit you can get for a child is what's called Earned Income Tax Credit. If your wages are $49,000 or less, you can get nearly $6,000 of Earned Income Credit, and that's a refundable tax credit to you. Adoption credit, if you've adopted a child this past year, you can get up to $13,000, and that's a refundable credit to you again. That's money in your pocket, a check coming to you. Now, if your children are working outside the home, or if they have some interest income or dividend income, if they're working outside the home and their income is $4,000 or less, they do not need to file a tax return, but they would if their income is more than $4,000. If they earn $1,200 or more of interest income or dividend income, then they would need to file a tax return then. Higher education credits. If you have a child that's in college, you get two types of education credits. One's called American Opportunity Credit, and one is called a Life Learning Credit. This can be up to $2,500 for one or $2,000 for the other. So that's really a nice big tax credit there for you as well. State of Indiana has a special college savings plan. You can get up to 20% back by putting money back into an Indiana 529 college plan. 20% or up to $1,000. The state of Indiana gives that back to you immediately on your tax return. Student loan interest. If you are paying for your child's student loan, you get to write that interest off. That's a deductible interest for you.